Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So my analysis for these sketches is how I am improving my sketching and the fundamentals of art, which is proportions. So yeah, I'll just get to it. So 1, 2, 3 sketches, fourth area for the analysis, and this creates a really quick feedback loop and how I have gained more experience and effective sketching in a very short space of time. So going from sketches such as this to this. So yeah, I'll just get to it. So each sketch, as I said, took 3 minutes. I have cut that down by a minute. Sometimes it's a minute and a half, sometimes it's 2 minutes. So yeah, I'm getting a lot more speedy with my sketches and a lot more effective time use of my time as well when I'm sketching. So the method I have used this time is observational. The first one, I obviously created the face far too long, and so it's like a chin worth extra, so hence why that line is there. I don't rub any lines out. Any line that I put down is there on purpose, so I have to be sure that that line is supposed to be there, hence why I'm becoming more effective at sketching and a lot more quick. So the number 2, this one here is a better face shape and proportions of the layout and structure of the features as well. And number 3 is the actual closest to the original reference. I ran out of time, otherwise I would have put some more detail of the hair, but I actually managed to get a lot more detail and structure compared to the first one. So I'm really happy with that so far, and I shall see you in the next video. If you're enjoying drawing like this, like utilising the methods, I would really love to hear back from you, and also any other methods that you use, anything that I could possibly implement to my methods as well. So that would be awesome, and just keep I'd love a wee community of art lovers or hobbyists or people who just enjoy looking at art as well, and also people who enjoy hearing about other people creating the artwork. I think that would be awesome. Anyway, take care guys. Thanks, bye.